In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed YouTube video in WordPress post or page. Go to the admin dashboard, and I want to embed YouTube video in page. You can embed YouTube video in post as well. So hover over on page and click on add page. Very first, you have to give a page title. I want to give YouTube video. Okay, then from the right side you can see a plus sign, add block, or you can see left top block inserter. You can click here or click here. So just click add block, then type here YouTube. This is the YouTube embed widget, so click on it. Then you have to give the YouTube video URL here. Open up a new tab and write here YouTube, and this is my channel, videos. Then I want to embed this video, how to make a listing directory classified as website with WordPress. So click on it, then click on this share option, copy this link, go to the editor and paste here and embed. You can see the video is embedded, and from the right top just click and publish it. Okay, view the page. Yes, the video is embedded successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.